I'm very excited.
Everything says 0 views.
There she is. Nick is over and guess what? Let's go.
What the fish?
What's up, vlog? It is the next day. Nick went home today and we both just wanted to actually get some work done, get back into the swing of things, since technically like today, I mean, it's been the 14 days. I've been working, but I've also been like letting myself be a little bit lazier and really just recover. So I don't remember if I showed you this. I don't know if I'm gonna do this in this vlog or the next one, but I basically took down my towel rack in my bathroom because I'm actually gonna be putting wallpaper on this whole wall. And part of the reason is because I film TikToks in here a lot of times, so I think it'd be cool to have a cooler background. And let me show you what the wallpaper is. It's actually this fun like gray with stars. So I think that'll look really cool. Oh wait, you can see it right there. I think that'll look really cool. So gonna be doing that at some point. And then I also just got a package. I realized I did this brand deal forever ago with a brand called Stitch Fixed, and I had some credit left. So I bought some things on their website. So I'm gonna see what those are now. Alrighty. Oh yeah, it's a cute little top. Oh, I think that's adorable. Strapless top with some little sleeves. Cute, cute. Actually really like that. That'll be good. Gotta try it on, of course. Next. Also, do you like my new Lakers hoodie? I'm not even a Lakers fan yet, but I will be. Okay, so I think I have one more thing coming, but here is, oh, that's cool. I got this little like mustard colored kind of tote bag. I was hoping that this would be the right size to fit my laptop, and I think it is. So that's actually really cool. Comes with a strap too. Wow. Okay, really cute, really neat. Love that. All right guys, I'm back. What I'm gonna do now is work on putting my wallpaper up a little bit. I wanted to do it during daylight. I mean, it's not dark yet, but it's like getting kind of darker. I wanted to do it during daylight hours, but I don't really care. I just wanted to film it, but we have enough light in here. So I'm gonna get started. Like I said, I already took off the towel rack and I just need to kind of clean this surface and move this out of the way. And then here I was just taking out my roll. I'm a little confused whether I'm supposed to like cut it the size of the wall. I don't know. I'm not gonna do that probably. I'm just gonna, well, I'll have to cut a little bit, but that's because there's a huge roll down there. So we're just gonna go for it. All right, so now I'm going to clean off the wall and then begin putting the wallpaper up. Let's go. It's fine. I got a paper cut on my finger and it was bleeding all over the wallpaper, so I'm wearing gloves now. All right, so here is the progress that I made so far, and then I actually took a break to eat dinner, and I'm just gonna actually finish it tomorrow. The only weird thing is that our walls are like kind of uneven. So I did this one as straight as I could, and if you could see, those two stars aligned very well. But then I went down, and even though I was doing it straight, like that one and that one were like wonky, and that one. But I'm just gonna go in and honestly take a little bit of white paint and just DIY kind of customize that ish. And it's gonna look super freaking cool. I'm very excited. Guys, we on TikTok, but it's glitching hard. And I hope it doesn't mean that it's being banned. Why would they not warn us at all? Stop! My roomies are filming me. It is just down. Is it just glitching? I'm like vlogging this right now because I'm not okay. Everything says 0 views. I should have screenshotted all my views. Guys, what is happening? Does anyone know? All right, we had almost 700 people in here. Everyone's trying to figure out how to do this. Everyone's saying change your region, but some people are in Canada and it's still happening, so. Okay. Okay, hi, it's a little bit later now. That was weird, false alarm. I didn't really give any context because I was like freaking out and I went live on TikTok because all of a sudden it was glitching out hard. And if you guys didn't know, like here in the US, we just got alerted that like the president is considering banning TikTok in the US because of, it's like a Chinese owned app and all these different things. And so it started glitching out hardcore, which normally I would have been like, whatever, like no views and likes were showing. But because it was like maybe gonna get banned, we were all like freaking out. Everyone was going live and being like, oh my God, bye. Luckily, I like ran to save all of my TikToks so that I can be posting, like I could repost them on Instagram and then like just do it there if the app actually did get banned. So I feel a lot better now that I saved them all. I still like really hope it doesn't get banned, but like I was low-key just freaking out. What just fell? That was so weird. Okay, I swear I just saw something like fly from the, whatever. Anyway, I'm now gonna finish my wallpaper. So here's the progress that I've made so far. I can't remember if I said this or not about the stars not lining up, but looking good so far. And I am going to continue on. Let's go. All right, slight dilemma. This piece was just not long enough by like an inch. Luckily I have another whole roll, but this roll was what I cut off of here. So, and it was too short to do this, so I'm just gonna put some of this on the bottom janky real quick. I just have that one little sliver, so I cut a piece. Hopefully it works. All right, there she is. I'm not gonna lie, this part was definitely really hard because this piece was so skinny, so it was like just really hard to do, and I definitely need to make some adjustments. It's not perfect, but I'm proud of it anyway. I definitely wanna go in and paint some of these. I did cut the top, so the top's looking better. So that's what it looks like. I need to put my towel rack back on and then figure out what I wanna do on the walls, but it's looking good. Good morning, world. I'm gonna try not to be too loud because
this is my first rodeo.
Good morning vlog. It is the next day. As you saw, I finished the wall, but I just need to get some figure out what art and stuff I want on it and put the towel rack back on. Nick is over and guess what? He's wearing the merch.
That's weird.
That's weird. I kept telling him we need to do something cool with it. I don't know, because it was so plain, but I think it's actually really cute. I do like the plain white. I don't know, you're so cool. You're tatted all over your body and yet here's a plain white sweatshirt. I know, I think that's why I'm you need it to be cooler. Yeah, but it looks really cute still.
Tie-dye?
Honestly, wouldn't be mad at it. But also, we don't want to ruin it. This one would be cool to do a tie-dye where it's purple, but not the whole thing. It's only selective spots. You tie it super tight, so it's just little,
just a few little edges kind of.
Yeah, imagine if this was mostly white, but then it just had lighter kind of little purpley spots. Could be cool, could be neat, but also then it's we're not professional tie-dyers and I don't know that I want to experiment on that merch.
Risk it with the one white sweatshirt I got.
Or we could risk it with another white t-shirt that's just cheap and random and then test it and see what it looks like.
Just make more merch.
That is the obvious choice. Tie-dye my own, DIY my own merch and sell it or ship them out. Anyway, yeah, a couple of things are going down. Number one, the gym is selling one of their assault bikes, which is the bikes that we use that you've probably seen on camera. They're selling one for a really cheap price and I kind of want to get it, but I'm waiting to see if someone else picks it up who has it on hold, but then I might do it. I don't know. We'll see. What else? There was something else I thought. I can't remember, so I'll let you know if I think of it. Okay, talk to you soon. So all three roommates are now in the house. Mallory's back. So look at our giant fruit thing, because normally it's just this, but now we all went grocery shopping and we have so much. Look at how many avocados we have. It's quite a few. Oh, and even more right there. Anyway, gonna make some coffee. What do I want? I'm feeling Wonder Woman-y today. My attitude is just not great yet and I need to turn it around. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out what to put on my bathroom wall with the wallpaper. And I was thinking at first maybe a gallery wall, kind of how I have here, but smaller. So I took out some stuff that I randomly have in my closet, this, things I've just kept over the years. This is cute. I thought the Batman looked really cool, but Nick over there was you're gonna get sick of looking at that, or do you want it every day? And I was maybe not. You're kind of right, but that's a sick thing. So then I was thinking I have all these prints because I was gonna put them in a collage a long time ago. So then I was thinking, what if I just kind of put these on this white frame? This is the frame that or on this like background. This is the one I had before. I think that could be kind of cool, but I still think I need it to be a little bit of a gallery, like 1, 2, 3 or something. Like I could still have this one. So I'll figure it out. Okay, I taped down all the pictures. They're so cute. And I went in the bathroom to see like what would look good with this. And I think I'm just gonna do 2 frames. We'll see how that looks. So I just flipped around. Oh wait, you can't see it. I just flipped around a picture that was already in here. And I'm thinking of putting this. This came from that Teza collage pack that we put in our office, but I have all these leftover like reject ones that are still cute. They just didn't really go. So I'm gonna try this and see what happens. Okay guys, I finished the wall. Here it is the finished result. Looks so good. I wish this wasn't here. It's kind of ugly, but whatever. But look how cute it looks. So in the mirror too, it's like, just pretty cute. I'm a fan. Yeah.
You're outside? I'm going back to work on Monday.